Hey everyone, Mr. Kaczynski here. Got more on polynomials for you. Section Z from IXL's Algebra 1 skills. This skill deals with modeling polynomials with algebra tiles. I don't think you're going to have too much of a problem with this, so let's fly through it. Here we go. Our first example. What expression does this set of algebra tiles represent? And we see a bunch of x squared, some x's, and some 1's, okay? So again, just kind of like an intro to you know, polynomials here basically, but I mean, how many x squareds are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's another 4 that makes 8, and here's another 2 that makes 10. So they say combine like terms. We're not going to put x squared plus x squared plus x squared plus x squared 10 times. Instead, we're going to say 10 times x squared. And then we have another 1, 2, 3, 4 x's. That's 4x. And then we have another, I'll use red here because the yellow doesn't show up that well. Maybe it does. Let's try it. Another 4 1's. Yeah, that doesn't show up well at all. We'll use red. So another 4 1's. So 10x squared plus 4x plus 4 is the way we write this. We don't bother. You can't actually simplify it any more than that. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Let's do another. So this time we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6x squareds. And we have another 5 1's. So plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. This is the polynomial 6x squared plus 5. There are no x's in this one, just x squareds. And another one here. We've got 4x squareds and 2 x's and 4 1's. So that's how we would write that as a polynomial. Fourth example here gets into some negatives. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 negative x squared. So it's like negative 6x squared. Then we also have the 3x's plus 3x's. And there are no 1's this time, so we could write plus 0, but that wouldn't be very simplified. So we'll just leave it as negative 6x squared plus 3x. And lastly, I like this one because it starts with the positives and then the x terms and the 1 terms are negative. So we got 5x squareds. We also have 3 negative x's. So I'm going to write minus 3x. And then we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 negative 1. So just minus 8. So no need to write plus negative 3x and plus negative 8. We can just write minus 3x and minus 8. So there we go. And that's a quick summary of how to do modeling polynomials with algebra tiles from Section Z of IXL's Algebra 1 skills.